Hello everyone, welcome back to Canning Coffee. Here we have this beautiful zacconi espresso machine. Now for this machine we replaced the boiler gaskets, which means we had to disassemble the whole entire thing. We have to remove the top piece of the boiler, the bottom part, all these side glasses as well as these, and we also replaced the gasket of the group head itself, which this is the old gasket. I otherwise unfortunately did not survive because whenever you remove them they kind of disintegrate by themselves because how old they are. We also replaced the heating element of this thing. As you can see, this is the old heating element. We made sure that there's no leaks coming out from the heating element or from any of the 4 rods connecting the whole entire boiler. And we also had to replace this part, which is the pressure stop part. Unfortunately, when we were putting it back together after we cleaned it, and this one was very dirty, this thing unfortunately broke from the threads itself before we actually got the chance to tighten it back. So thankfully we got it back. We also replaced the fuse, I believe, of this machine, and yeah, that's all. And those are the little surviving gaskets that we had for this machine. Give me a second. As you can see, I fortunately took a little bit of pictures, not like in the last one. This is the bottom of the machine. That's the heating element. That's the oil pressure stat. The one you see, the oil pressure stat hose that you see right here, and that's the stuff before we did the work. That is the boiler of the machine. We deep clean everything inside. We remove the gaskets from this part over here. This, and here, which is a lot of work. We also had to replace the gasket from the base itself as well, and yeah, that's basically what we did on this machine. So as you can see, the machine is now at full pressure. We're gonna go with a little mirror to basically check for any other leaks, and as you can see, no leaks coming from the boiler itself, nor coming from the steam one or anything like that. Not coming from anywhere, from the back or anywhere like that, and of course not from the roof head. We already tested this machine a lot, so we know where it leaks, that it doesn't leak from the boilers. And just to show you the steam of the pressure, I mean, you can see really good pressure coming out of the machine. It's a little on the hotter basis. We don't really get to see that much as we usually do, but that's very good pressure coming out of the boiler itself. And group head, we did not work on the group head. Excellent water flow coming out of the group head, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, zacconi with new boiler gaskets and no leaking around the boiler. So thank you so much for repairing Canning Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.